Meet Jack and Ben. Both earn the exact same salary, $75,000 a year. But 20 years from now, Jack will be financially free, sipping coffee on a beach, while Ben will still be stuck on the paycheck treadmill. How is this possible? In this video, we're breaking down the hidden habits, mindsets, and daily decisions that separate the wealthy from the financially stuck. Because total wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Society has lied to us. We're taught that a high income equals wealth. But the data tells a terrifyingly different story. Recent studies show that over one-third of people earning over $200,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. Think about that. That's nearly 3 times the average salary, yet their bank accounts hit zero every single month. Why? It boils down to 3 critical mistakes. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. The moment income goes up, spending skyrockets. In the classic book, The Millionaire Next Door, researchers found that true wealth builders actually live incredibly below their means. They don't buy the flashy sports car just because they got a raise. Look at it like a game of sports. Earning money is your offense. Keeping money is your defense. If you have a world-class offense but a 0-star defense, you will lose the game every single time. Mistake number 2 is heavy consumer debt. Let's look at Jack and Ben again. Ben has $5,000 in credit card debt at a 20% interest rate. To pay it off, he bleeds $500 a month just to get back to zero. Meanwhile, Jack has zero debt. He invests that exact same $500 a month into the stock market. In just 1 year, Jack saves $6,000. Compounded over 30 years, that single year of smart choices turns into over $60,000. Ben's debt didn't just cost him $5,000. It cost him his future fortune. Mistake number 3, not tracking your cash. When you don't track, money evaporates. And science explains why. MIT researchers found that swiping a credit card actually activates the reward center of your brain, numbing the emotional pain of spending. When you use plastic, your brain thinks you're winning a prize, not losing your hard-earned cash. If you don't intentionally track where your money goes, your brain will happily spend it all for you. So, how we flip the script? Rich people rely on 3 unbreakable habits. First, they invest early. If Jack invests just $2,400 a year from age 20 to 30 and stops, he will end up with way more money at retirement than Ben, who invests the exact same amount every year from age 30 to 65. 10 years of early compounding beats 35 years of playing catch-up. Second, they pay themselves first. Don't save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. Move your investment money out of your account the day you get paid, before you even have a chance to see it. Third, focus heavily on assets over liabilities. Wealthy people buy things that put money into their pockets, like index funds or rental properties. Stuck people buy things that drain money out of their pockets, like depreciating cars and luxury clothes. Becoming wealthy isn't an accident. It's a blueprint. Build a budget so your money has a direction. Destroy your consumer debt. Automate your investments. Always live below your means. Mastering your money is ultimately about mastering your mindset and actions. If you want to take control of your financial future today, grab my free net worth and expense tracker in the link below to start tracking your journey. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and watch our next video right here to see why you aren't actually falling behind in life. See you there.